Oh, never mind. Well, hang on. Never mind. That Goodman just. Oh, look at this. Okay, hang on. Wait. Okay, here, we'll come back to these.
Yeah.
I thought I heard a defrosting, but.
Something beeping. I don't know what it is.
Every single one of these are heat pumps, and they're all running in heat mode. They're all blowing cold air out of the fan. No.
Oh, you know what? We have to go around this way.
Okay, we don't have to leave though yet, right?
No.
Oh, I heard it. I love the sound of a brand new Goodman turning
So
on.
check out those ones you want me to check out. Then we'll have to go around to the front loader bed.
Okay, guys, there's hundreds here. So, there's two Goodmans and some Tranes. This Goodman's running in heat mode. Oh, there's some ice on it. And then down there. Okay, here. Let's see. 3-ton, 2019. Oh gosh, dude. 2008, 2-ton. 2006, 2.5. Oh, that Goodman's frozen already. Yeah, it's really frozen. Look at it. Not the first one, the one back there. It has some. It's not like
Not as frozen as that other one.
No, it has bands of ice around it. It's been running for like 2 minutes.